Hello guys, welcome to Core Runner YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see today's daily test solution. So in today's daily test, they given a three integer n, k, and x, and the condition they given is we need to get a size k of subset from the integer n, and we need to check if the getter subset is divisible by x. So if it is divisible by x, we need to count all the subset from the integer n, and we need to print our final output. So and then they given a constraint of n range from 1 to 10 power 18. So we need to declare n value as long. So and the k value from 1 to number of digit in n, and the x value range from 1 to n. So we can declare k and the x value as a normal integer. So and after this is our first test case. So this is our n value, this is our k value, and this is our x value. So we need to get a size of 2 subset from this n value. So here they given in the explanation. So first they take 24 as first subset, and the next 42, and the next 21, and the next 03. So 03 is not valid here because 03 means it's only a 3, which means a value of 3. So 3 is a single digit number, but here the k is given as 2 digit number. So that's why they did not take a 03 as our subset. And then final subset is 36. So and then among this subset we are going to get a valid subset which is divisible by a given x value 6. So here the 24 is divisible, and the 42 is divisible, and the 36 is divisible. So only 3 value, 24, 42, and 36. So the output is going to be 3. And in second test case, they given n value is here this, and the k value is 3, and the x value is 9. So we need to get a subset of 3 from this integer n. So first subset is 900. So this 900 going to be perfectly divisible by this given integer x. We found one valid subset is 900, and after our value is 004. So this 004 is means only 4, value of 4 only. So this is a single integer. So this is not matched to our given constraint of digit k. And after 045, so this is a 2 digit value. So this is also not valid. And then 456. So this is a 3 digit number, this is valid, but this is not perfectly divisible by given integer x. So finally we have only one valid subset here. So our output is 1. Now we are going to see coding section. So I already write the code. So this is our first test case. To get subset of size k 1 by 1, I declare a power level p. So initially p value is going to be 10 power k. So our k value is here is 2. So p value is going to be 100 here. And next I going to initialize a cnt variable to count a valid pair. And the next I going to use a while loop to get a pair 1 by 1 from integer n. So and the next I going to use this condition. When the n value is greater than p/10, so then only we get a valid subset. So if our n value is going to be smaller than p, we did not going to get a valid subset. So after that I initialize a subset variable. So this variable is going to be stored a subset value for each iteration. So our first test case will be n modulus of p. So our n value is, and the n modulus of p value is going to be, our subset value is 36. So 36. And then we need to check if the subset value is exactly contains a k digit number. So for that I am going to use this condition. So usually what we do to check if a given number contains exactly the digit we wanted. So consider if we have this 2 digit number. So if we need to check if it is a 2 digit number, so we use a condition like this. So 10 smaller than equal to 36 smaller than 100. So if this value range between this value, we consider it is a 2-digit number. So if we going to check for a 4-digit number, so like this. So this value lies between 1000 to 10k. So if this value is lies between this range, we are going to consider it is a 4-digit number. So I use this same condition here to check if the subset contains exactly k digits. So this is going to be true and this value is going to be true. So this condition satisfies. So if this condition satisfies, after we need to check if our subset is going to perfectly divisible by integer x. So subset modulus of x is going to be 0, then this is perfectly divisible by x. So after this condition, if condition satisfied, we need to increment our counter. So because we found a valid subset, and after that going to get next subset, we need to divide our value n by 10. Here our n value is going to be this. So on the next our subset value is going to be 0 and 3. So we put 0 3 here and 0 3 here. So our subset value did not lies between this range. So the condition fails here itself, and then we need to remove a last digit from n. So and our value is going to be 10. So if you also see here, this condition is satisfied. So this condition is satisfied, but 10 did not going to be divisible by integer given x. So this condition fail here, and so this while loop going to iterate until our n value is less than c/10. So after this while loop terminated, I going to print the value of c and t. Now I going to run the code to verify its work. So we get 3 as a output here. In test case also the 3 is our value. So then after I going to give our second test case. So now I going to run again. So we get 1 as a value. So here you see in second test case the value is also 1. So our code works fine, and I provided a solution for this daily test in Python and the C++ language also. And finally the time complexity of the problem is going to be O of k. This k means a number of digits in n. So because our while loop going to iterate only number of digits in n, and our space complexity is O of 1. So because here I did not use any extra space like list, array, etc. So our space complexity is O of 1. So and in today's daily challenge they given a simple flowchart problem, and I hope you can understand my code by seeing itself.